You're welcome to Amara Beke, where wisdom speaks with grace and relevance. You're welcome to the voice of Igbo wisdom, where we bring ancient adages back to life, one adage at a time, in a way everyone can understand and apply it to life. In today's episode of Fat Field Friday, our adage is Asụnwanne anaghị abụli elu maka na ibulie elu ya ọbụzụ oge ahụ. This means that the spittle from a relative is not thrown up, because if you spit it up, it is going to land back on you. So this adage uses spit as a symbolic and a relatable image. Throwing someone's spit up is both disrespectful and foolish. So this adage teaches about family loyalty. Don't expose or mock your own. This adage also teaches about self-awareness. Hurting those close to you often ends up backfiring. So in Igbo culture, unity among siblings and kindreds are sacred. You don't wash your dirty linens in public. So before you mock your own, remember spit thrown upwards returns to the face. Therefore, protect your own. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more. Bye.